if x power a square by x power b square equals to 16, x greater than 1 and a plus b equals to 2, what is the value of a minus b? See, given, what is given here? X power a square by x power b square equals to x power 16. Yes, we know that a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. Okay, and one more formula, a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. Okay, now this is how the form a power m by a power n. So this one can be written as a power m minus n, x power a square by x power b square, x power a square minus b square equals to x power 16. Now see, a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. Similarly, a power m equals to a power n. See, x power a square minus b square equals to x power 16. So a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. That means a square minus b square equals to 16. We know the formula a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b times of a minus b equals to 16. So the value of a plus b is 2. 2 times of a minus b equals to 16. So a minus b equals to 16. 2 transpose right side divided by 2. How many times? 2? 8 times. A minus b equals to 8. Therefore the value of a minus b is